almost never throws to first base, only twice all year. Into center field. And that has gone over the head of Denorfia. That's going to go to the wall. Frias is on his way home. He will score. Enrique Hernandez on his way to third. The throw is high. Hits the camera. Stays in play. And the Dodgers take a 3-0 lead. One of those line drives directly over the head of Denorfia.